So hello guys, welcome back again to another video. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. And yeah, for today's video I brought to you a fragrance that it is not very talked about in the fragrance community. I feel like it is very underrated, very under hyped, and it deserves to be talked about, especially that it is a fragrance that's affordable and inspired by Dior Sauvage, and yeah, it smells like it. I would say like from 60% to 70 to 75%. So this video, it is gonna be an unboxing of this fragrance and yeah, a detailed presentation, and I'm gonna talk about it a little bit and compare it as well with Dior Sauvage that we have over here. We have the EDT and the EDP to see if it is I mean, which one it is close to the most. So let's proceed to the unboxing. First I need to move these babies from here. And yeah, as you can see, it is brand new, the cellophane. If you guys want to check out the cellophane, in case you wanna, or you come across one of these fragrances, you wanna see about the authenticity and compare the look of the cellophane on the authentic with what you have. All right, I'm gonna show you the box a little bit after. So yeah, just unboxed the fragrance. I'm gonna move this cellophane right away, and yeah, this is the fragrance. As you can see, the box have this velvety feel. It is very soft and feels good in the hand. You will not really tell from the video, but if you feel it in your hands, it feels really good. This fragrance is called Ana Al Malik. I am the king. As you can see over here, Ana Al Malik, I am the king. I think it is definitely the translation. Ana Al Malik in English is I am the king. I think they refer that. I think the idea that I mean, it's like Dior Sauvage in their mind is like the king of designer fragrances. So since they got inspired from Dior Sauvage, I believe they kinda got inspired about the name as well. So yes, this is very important. If you, in case you buy this fragrance, this is for the authentication, the stamp right here of the company that makes this fragrance, and this company is named ARD Al ZAAFARAN. We have another stamp above. As you can see, this is the face of the box, and above on the top we have another stamp, and over here it says ARD Al ZAAFARAN. This is the name of the company, and this company is known to make like fragrances that are inspired of other successful or famous designer fragrances like this one right here. This is Oud 24 Hours. I already talked about this fragrance before on this channel. I will leave the video for you in the description box if you want to check it out. This fragrance, Oud 24 Hours EDP, it smells a lot like Tom Ford Black Orchid. It is very close to it. I'm not gonna say it is 100% similar. There is definitely some differences, especially when it comes to the quality. And as you can see over here, we have the stamp and the logo of the company, ARD Al ZAAFARAN, Oud 24 Hours, the same company that makes Ana Al Malik as well. So yes, if you wanna again see the face of the box, the side, the other side, the back. We have this beautiful design. Over here, ingredients, and on the bottom it says yeah, over here it says made in UAE, and this is the barcode. Some information is over here, the name of the company, and I believe we have a batch code right here and an expiration date for the year 2026. All right, so let's open the box and take out the bottle. Let's see about this bottle. Okay, it looks royal, if I can say that. A pretty cool design. It's not bad. I like this type of glass. It is heavy, and yeah, it looks like this type of Victorian type of bottles, if I can say that. Over here we have a sticker that says that it is an eau de parfum concentration, again made in UAE. 80% volume, I think, of the alcohol in it. As you can see, pretty chic, pretty bottle. So let's open it and spray the fragrance. The cap looks like some type of crown, so it makes sense because the fragrance is called I Am the King. Alright, let's spray a little bit. Let's see about the sprayer, if it is any good. Nice sprayer. Third spray. Okay, let's smell it. Wow. It is definitely inspired from Dior Sauvage. The EDT, actually. Wow. But I can tell from this initial sprays that it does have its own vibe. A lot of people think about these Oriental fragrances or these Middle Eastern fragrances that they all have oud. This one doesn't have any oud. It actually have like some sort of aquatic notes with really a present type of ambroxan. Yeah, very close to Dior Sauvage EDT. I already tried this fragrance before. I never owned it. I tried it like once or twice, and it was like quickly. I didn't get to have a full idea about it, but now I will definitely have a solid idea about it. The resemblance is really mind-blowing. So okay, as I said, it smells a lot like Dior Sauvage EDT, and not really close to the EDP that we have over here. So I'm gonna spray the EDT on my other hand and see about it. As you can see, superb sprayer when it comes to Dior Sauvage. And yeah, definitely there is a resemblance between the two, between Dior Sauvage EDT and I Am the King. But I would say, yeah, definitely this one have its own character, its own vibe. But the resemblance is definitely there. It is really mind-blowing. Which really makes me think or ask why that this fragrance is not talked about much in the fragrance community. I didn't find much reviews about it in English on YouTube. And yeah, I feel like it is criminally underhyped, under-talked, underrated, if I can say that. I will wear it a few times, a few hours, and try to get back to you guys with a full idea and full review of this fragrance. And one thing I want to add about the price, I'm sure a lot of people will ask about the price. The price, it is really cheap, really affordable, as I said in the beginning of the video. It can go from like $16-17 to $20 for a 100 ml size bottle, or the